Students, now we are doing practical problem 3 of admission of partner on page number 162. Vasu and Virat share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 19 was as under. Balance sheet as on 31st March 19. Sundry creditors, there is a no adjustment, so we are writing in outer column 75,000, 45,000. General reserve will distribute to the partners in their old ratio, that is 3:2. Capital account by balance brought down 1,08,000 and 72,000. Now we'll come on to the asset side. To balance brought down 750. Sundry debtors, there is an adjustment on it, so we are writing in inner column. Stock, again adjustment is there, so we are writing in inner column. Investment, outer column. Plant and building, both as an adjustment, so we are writing in inner column. This is how we have done with our posting part. Now come on to the adjustment. They admit Hari into partnership on 1st April 19, the terms being that he shall have to bring in rupees 60,000 as his capital for 1/4 share. So entry will be cash account debit to Hari's capital. So on cash account we write it down, Hari's capital 60,000. Second, by bank account 60,000. Cash account debit to Hari's capital. Now the adjustment number 2. Value of the goodwill of the firm is to be fixed at the average profit for the last 3 years. So what is the value of the goodwill? Fixed at the average profit of last 3 years. So here the amount of goodwill is not being given directly. So we need to calculate the goodwill. So the given information is about how we will calculate the goodwill. They have given us the profit of last 3 years. So I am doing over here step 1. Total profit. Total profit will be 48,000 plus 81,000 plus 73,500 comes to 202,500. Then step 2. Average profit. What is the formula for average profit? Total profit upon number of years of profit. That is over here 3. So 202,500 upon 3, which comes to 67,500. Now step 3. What is step 3? Goodwill of the firm. Now usually what they do, they will give you the number of year of purchase. But in this particular sum, what is mentioned? Value of goodwill of the firm is to be fixed at average profit of last 3 years. So the step number 3 is same as equal to step number 2. Average profit of last 3 years. This is given in the question. So goodwill of the firm will be 67,500. Now read it again. Value of the goodwill of the firm. Now the value of the goodwill of the firm fixed at average profit of last 3 years. So this is how we have come to the goodwill of the firm. Now how we treat this goodwill? Below that they have written, Hari is unable to bring the value of goodwill in cash. It is decided to raise the goodwill in the books of account. So the first option of treatment of goodwill is out. That is goodwill bring in cash. The second option is goodwill raise. So goodwill raise, what is the journal entry? Goodwill account debit to old partners capital. Now or they have written value of the goodwill of the firm. So here Hari is unable to bring the value of goodwill, so no need to go to step number 4 to calculate the Hari's share of goodwill. Over here we'll raise the goodwill of the firm, that is 67,500. So step number 4 is not required in when goodwill is raised. Amount is 67,500 and the treatment is goodwill account debit to old partners capital account in their old ratio. So we'll write it down. Goodwill account debit side, the ratio is 3:2. So 2 Vasu's capital and 2 Viraj capital. The second effect will be by goodwill account. Now the amount will be just a second. $4,500 and $27,000. $4,500 and $27,000 in the ratio 3:2. So do remember that when goodwill is raised and it is given in the question value of the goodwill of the firm, only we have to calculate. So we have restricted ourselves to step number 3. And what is the entry for goodwill raised? Goodwill account debit to old partners capital. And one more thing, step number 2, generally they give us number of year of purchase. So in this question it is missing. Simply they have written value of the goodwill of the firm is the average profit of last 3 years. So step number 2 is same as step number 3. Sometimes they give you value of the goodwill is twice the average profit. So we'll make it into 2. So this is how we have done with our goodwill adjustment. Then adjustment number 3, reserve for doubtful debt is to be created at 1,500 less from certain debtors, it is lost. So we'll write on debit side to RDD account. Next is closing stock valued at 20,500. So in outer column we'll write it down 20,500. Revalued will reduce by 3,000. Second effect, revaluation account debit side. And the last one is plant and building is to be depreciated by 5%. So both the plant and building will depreciate by 5% and second effect will write it down revaluation debit. So this is how we have done with our adjustment part. Now we will start closing it. First we will close our working note 750, 60,000, 6750, balancing figure 6750. Don't forget to transfer this to balance sheet asset. The next one is goodwill account. Now be careful. Generally when goodwill bring in cash, it will get tallied. But now goodwill has raised. So here we will get a balancing figure. Here we will get a balancing figure. 67,500, 67,500 and by balance carried down 67,500 and will transfer this goodwill to our balance sheet. So whenever goodwill is raised, remember that goodwill will appear in balance sheet. This is how it will get appear in balance sheet. So if you are preparing working note, you can easily know that this account not get tallied. So there is a balancing figure, and this balancing figure will transfer to balance sheet. Goodwill 67,500. So now we'll close our revaluation account. Only debit side amount is there, 10,800. We'll distribute between the whole partners in 3:2. As debit side is more, so it is a loss. Then we'll transfer to partners capital. Now we'll close our partners capital. $60,000. Harish. To balance carried down, balancing figure 60,000. Now we close Viraj account, 1,11,000. We'll write at both the side, 1,11,000. We'll minus it, 4,320. So amount will be 106,680. Next is Vasu's capital. The total will be 1,66,500. We write at both the side, 1,66,500. We reduce it 6,480. So the amount will be 1,66,020. Now we transfer this amount to balance sheet. Capital Vasu, Viraj and Hari. 1,66,020, 1,06,680, and the last one will be 60,000. And your balance sheet total will be 371,700. So in this particular sum, the important adjustment was of only goodwill, wherein we are raising the goodwill. So entry is goodwill account debit to old partner. That is the first part. Second part, goodwill will raise of the value of the firm. So don't go to step number 4 to calculate the new partner share of goodwill. And goodwill of the firm is equal to average profit. So this is how we have done with our practical problem 3.